Hello. Welcome to section 128. That is, books of accounts to be kept by the company. The contents covered in this section are proper books of accounts, books of accounts at other than registered office, electronic mode of books of accounts, inspection, time limit for preserving books of accounts, contravention. Coming to proper books of accounts. What is meant by proper books of accounts? As per section 128. At their registered office. Every company shall at its registered office need to maintain books of accounts and financial statements. Shall give true and fair view of state of affairs of the company, including the affairs of the branch office. Books of accounts shall be kept on accrual basis and following double entry system of accounting. Now coming to book of accounts maintained at other than registered office. Board of Directors of the company may decide to keep books of accounts at any other place within India, and where such action is taken, the company shall within 7 days give a notice in writing giving the full address of other place to ROC. Point to be noted. In case books of accounts are maintained at branch office, then the branch office shall send summary of the copies maintained at branch office to the head office. Nextly coming to electronic mode of books of accounts. Company may keep books of accounts and other papers in electronic mode, also subject to certain conditions as follows. Firstly, the book shall remain complete and unaltered. The book shall be accessible from India. Storage facility to be adequately provided. It should be retrievable and printable. Backup shall be kept and maintained in India. Also, in case the data is stored in cloud, then name of the service provider, Internet protocol of service provider, location of service provider, how to be provided. Coming into inspection. Books of accounts and other books and papers maintained in India shall be open for inspection during the business hours. In case the books of accounts maintained in abroad, then the company shall submit copies of books and such other information for inspection within 15 days. Inspection in respect of any subsidiary company shall be done only by person authorized in this behalf. That is a person authorized by Board of Directors. Point to be note. A director can also appoint an agent for inspection of books of accounts only after approval of board. Members can also do inspection after board approval or general meeting approval. Time limit for preserving books of account. Normally the books of accounts of every company shall be maintained for a period of 8 years immediately preceding the financial year. But where a company is in existence for a period of less than 8 years, then in all the preceding years in which the company existed. However, in case an investigation is ordered by the central government, then the books of accounts will be preserved for such extended period as mentioned by the central government. Contravention. That is liability for violating the provisions of the section. In case of default by managing director, whole-time director, chief financial officer or any authorized person, then he shall be liable for imprisonment up to a period of 1 year. Or with a fine of not less than 50,000 rupees but may extend to 5 lakh rupees.